Galapagos penguins that live on the equator are struggling to find food, and it's all due to one thing: climate change. Climate change is occurring and it's affecting everyone, even penguins. Global temperatures have risen a total of 1.4 degrees Celsius since 1880, according to NASA. They have also found the sea level is also rising at an average of 3.3 millimeters per year. Climate change is contributing to the lack of food for these penguins by causing an increased number in events called El Niño and La Niña. The ocean temperature change caused by El Niño and La Niña can be harmful to the lifestyles of penguins. Normally, the upwelling of cold water in the Galapagos provides lots of nutrients for fish that penguins eat. These cold water upwellings provide nutrients that supports all of the wildlife, from phytoplankton to crabs. Unfortunately, El Niño makes it very difficult for nutrients to be distributed in large enough quantities. As displayed in this image, El Niño causes warmer waters to surround the Galapagos Islands. These warmer waters cause less upwelling, providing fewer nutrients in the water and decreasing the fish available for penguins to eat. El Niño also causes fewer trade winds, resulting in fewer nutrients moved throughout the water as well, causing another decrease in the amount of food available. La Niña has a significant effect on the penguins as well. La Niña is the complete opposite of El Niño. The event involves decreased water temperatures throughout the ocean. These decreased temperatures result in increased upwelling and more food for the penguins. This may seem beneficial at first, but it can be damaging to the ecosystem. It results in an increased number of predators for the penguins, as well as droughts and decreased vegetation in the islands. Many animal populations also boom during these events, resulting in a very large imbalance. Although the frequency and severity of these two events are increasing, the combination of the two provides the most devastating effect. The lack of predictability of the amount of food available for the penguins affects their molting and breeding opportunities. Molting requires a large amount of food by having to gain an extra 400 grams of weight because of the 600 grams that is shed. Penguins molt twice a year and do so prior to breeding to ensure that they will not run out of food and starve during the molting process. If a shortage occurs during a breeding period, it is less devastating to the adults. They have higher chances for survival than babies, assuring survival of the population. If penguins have such irregular supplies of food, they cannot molt and reproduce effectively. Climate change is affecting everyone, from humans to the baby Magellanic penguins. We can reduce our carbon footprint and help make an impact to slow climate change. We can all make a difference.